Following the harassment of a nun in Assam on the 17th of February 2024, TMC MLA Charles Pyngrope brought the issue to the Assembly's attention through a zero-hour notice. Auxiliary Bishop of Tura, Chirackal, engaged with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma recently and local MLA Rakkam Sangma regarding the incident. The complaint details harassment faced by Sister Rosemary while travelling, leading to her expulsion from a bus due to derogatory remarks about her religious attire and faith. Despite paying fare until Dudhnoi, she was forced to board another bus to reach Goalpara in Assam. Charles Pyngrope urged upon the Chief Minister to intervene, emphasizing the unwarranted harassment of religious individuals. In response, the Chief Minister assured action after consulting with the Assam Chief Minister, pending further investigation into the incident's specifics.
I thank you for allowing me to move a zero-hour notice. Under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business regarding the news item published in the Nongsain Hima dated the 22nd of February 2024 under the caption Shakren Tomet and Shapen Herjubor, the real name Nakabos Assam. So to translate into English very briefly, it says that the person concerned was subject to derogatory remarks by certain individuals and also literally thrown off the bus, thrown off the bus in Assam. So this relates to an incident that happened where one sister, a nun, Sister Rosemary, serving at St. John's Parish, Siju, West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, South Garo Hills, Meghalaya, had to travel from Dudhnoi to Goalpara on 17th of February 2024. The sister boarded the bus at 11 a.m. from Dudhnoi and paid the bus fare up to Goalpara. Soon after the bus which had traveled a distance, the bus conductor and some of the passengers began to make derogatory remarks on her religious habit. The habit is the dress that she wears, and her faith. After some time, they stopped the bus at an isolated place and she was forced to alight from the bus. The incident caused serious mental agony and harassment to Sister Rosemary, both as a woman and a religious person. With the help of some other people, the sister then took another bus and proceeded to Goalpara. May I request the government of the day to take up the matter very seriously with the Assam government so that such incidents, such as the one mentioned above, is not repeated in the future. Thank you, sir.
And so, sir, basically, this incident, of course, was informed to me on the day this happened by one of the bishops. And immediately after that, I have taken up the matter with the Assam Chief Minister. So this matter has been brought to his notice. And he has officially informed me that he will take necessary action. We are awaiting for more details because the information that we received was not sufficient to be able to pursue the matter in any official capacity. And the concerned person was in a state of shock. So therefore we did not get the details from her at any point, and she is also obviously not comfortable to give all the details immediately. So we are waiting for that particular information because as of now the only information we have is the date and the time and the location from where she traveled to the destination where she traveled. So we do not have the bus number, we do not have the details of the names or anything that could lead us to the concerned individuals. But for the information and knowledge of the House, so we are very much aware of this and we are taking it up. I have already taken it up as mentioned, and whatever needs to be done, sir, we will pursue this matter. And of course, sir, it will be continuous effort from the government side to ensure that such incidents should not happen. And in any location, anywhere in the region, in the state and in the country, these incidents should not happen. So we will take steps. As I said, I have already mentioned it and taken up the matter with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. But I'll give a more detailed and written reply after getting the detailed report from the concerned person and the officials. Thank you, sir.